Thank you for choosing GrufeKit. Here's how to install your kit. First of all, there are a few things that you must do to prepare for laying the GrufeKit. Ensure the building has been checked by a structural engineer to make sure it is strong enough to support the green roof. Then, complete your waterproofing installation and check that the roof is completely watertight. Prepare all the tools that you need for the installation. Finally, clean the surface and tidy the roof area. Now that the roof is prepared for your GrufeKit, lay the protection fleece over the whole roof area. You can cut it to size later. If you don't have an upstand or parapet, you should choose GroofGuard 2. Clip together your GroofGuard around the edges of the roof. This can be cut to size with an angle grinder. You're now ready to lay out your roof tiles. Simply clip them together and cut them to size where necessary. If you choose to include areas of stone, simply pour them into those sections of the roof. You should now have a great looking green roof. But it's attention to detail that will set the roof apart. Now is the time to tidy the roof, solve any problem areas, trim the protection fleece to size, and pack your tools away. You might need to search our help section for some answers, or get in touch if you get really stuck. If you followed these steps, you should have a great looking green roof. Now you can check your client is happy. Then take a photo and share it with us.